Are you looking for a fun party game involving a quest? Use this picture scavenger hunt game. First, you'll need to set up your party game. Take a bunch of pictures around your yard or your house and send them to a print shop or print them out yourself. Then take the gem that's going on your starter map and cut and tape a small image of the first picture destination to the back of it. Mine happens to be this boulder. At the boulder will be the next picture of another destination they must go to. You should have a little photo preview sheet that comes with your printed pictures. This sheet is how I kept track of what picture needed to go in what order. I labeled them with numbers so I could quickly glance at it. Tape your gem to the starting map and prepare your ravens. The picture clues will lead your party guests to the destination, but the ravens will point to the exact location. Use pictures of easy-to-find destinations like the mailbox or the front door. Present your guests with a wizard staff and teach them some spells to prepare for their dangerous quest. There's a tutorial for how to make these easy PVC staffs in the description. I created this clue sheet where your guests will begin their quest. It says, "Someone must find the clue. It is easy to find if you know where to look. What hint gives it away?" You can see there is a gem at the top of this little map and a raven pointing to it, much like your gem that will be taped to the bigger map. When you start the game, you will explain that the ravens will guide them to the exact location. Tell them this will be the quest of a lifetime, searching for clues that will take them to a special treasure. They will be excited to take off and find the first clue. Your invited guests may not know where to look for some of the clues. Let the birthday kid take the guests to the picture destination, but take turns letting the guests find the next clue from where the raven is pointing to that exact spot. For example, this raven is pointing under the table. When we look under, there is a picture for the next destination. This garden trellis holds our next clue. The raven, however, points to the exact spot. Then we have our next clue in our picture scavenger hunt. Now you can end your scavenger hunt however you want. At this party, we were on a noble quest for a phoenix gem. We found our last clue to unlock the treasure. Here's the path lit up. But the path is never easy in a quest, so off went the lights. These little wizards had to use their magical glow staffs to light the way in the dark layer. The magic worked! They discovered the ancient artifact in which they needed to place the last clue to unlock the treasure. With the artifact successfully unlocked, you can retrieve the treasure. What is the treasure? Phoenix gems, of course! The kids were excited about this, but you can have any prize or treat. When unlocking a phoenix gem, a cursed dragon might be released, so prepare your wizards for a battle. A tutorial for how to make this cursed dragon piñata is in the description. For more themed party ideas, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching!